Okay, good morning and welcome to Iyun. Today we're going to talk about Maaser Sheni, Perek Gimel, Mishnah Zayin, the seventh Mishnah, where basically the Psak Halacha is that Beis Hillel holds when it comes to Maaser Sheni, it depends on exactly where you are. For example, even if you're on a tree, right, on the branches of the tree, and the trunk of the tree is inside Yerushalayim and the branches are on the outside, so if you're on the branches, you're considered on the outside of Yerushalayim, which means that you can't eat Maaser Sheni there, and you could be Poda Maaser Sheni there. It all depends where you are. And if it's the opposite case, where um, the trunk is on the outside and the branches on the inside, again, if you're on the trunk, if you're standing near the trunk, so then you're outside Yerushalayim. So all the halachas of Maaser Sheni outside Yerushalayim apply, meaning you can't eat the fruits there, but you could be poda. And if you're on the branches on the inside, so then you can eat Maaser Sheni there, but you can't be poda. So we go exactly with your locality. However, when it comes to other halachos, for example, Goal Adam, that's a famous case, someone who goes to Ir Miklat, right? So people can't avenge his death. If he's in the Ir Miklat, you can't avenge his death. Even if he's on the branches outside the city, but the trunk of the tree is inside, you can't avenge his death. Or Machma over there, you can't kill the person over there. We go in both directions. Other halachas also, we go both directions. Go l'chumra. Why over here we go exactly based on the locality by Maaser Sheni. So the idea is that technically, it seems from the other halachas that the tree, uh, it's a suffix in halacha. Where's the location of the tree? If its branches are in one place inside the city, and its trunk is on the outside, so it's a suffix in halacha. Suffix deraisa l'chumra. Where is the tree, right? Is the tree considered inside or out? Do you go after the branches? You go after the trunk. However, that's only the halacha when it comes to being on the tree, right? So wherever the tree is, we're not sure where the tree is. If part of it is one place, part of the other place, it depends where you're on the tree. However, if the halacha is not, the tree is not an important factor in the halacha. Maaser Sheni is about being in Yerushalayim. The tree happens to be where you are right now. But we're not donning on the tree. We're not posking based on where the tree is. We're posking based on where you are. Airspace. If you're in the airspace of the city, right? Just like mechitzos are koltos, right? If those fruits somehow enter the airspace, they would fly over Yerushalayim. So therefore, nigmar malacha, like learn Mishnah Vav, they're processed already. So therefore, you can't leave Yerushalayim anymore. Mechitzos koltos. Mechitzos are koltos because the airspace already, anywhere being in Yerushalayim, the airspace, it's about the locality of the fruits. It's not about the position of the eater. It's about the locality of the fruits. So we don't look at being on the tree or being on the tree as other halachos, right? Where is the person who killed the shogeg? He's on the tree? So now where he's on the tree, he's considered inside the city. However, here we're talking about the fruits. We're donning where the fruits, the locality of the fruits are. And what's important in Maaser Sheni is to be in the premises, to be inside Yerushalayim. Once you're inside Yerushalayim, you have to. Then it's a vacation. Inside Yerushalayim is a vacation. Outside Yerushalayim is not a vacation. It's about your body. The tree is tafel over. The tree is not an important factor. If they don't go after the tree, we go after the location of the person. He might be on a tree, but that's not where we judge his locality when it comes to Maaser Sheni, where only in Yerushalayim is a true vacation. For those who go to Yerushalayim can understand this. Hope you enjoyed today's share. See you in the next one.